It's 2025, and personal branding, it's not just a trend, it's the foundation of modern business. We're in a time where AI can write a blog, design a logo, even fake a photo of you shaking hands with Elon Musk. But what it can't replace is you, your story, your face, your energy. And that's why personal branding wins every day of the week. Let me show you why, using each weekday as a mindset shift. Monday, set the tone. On Mondays, people look for leadership, whether they realize it or not. It's the reset. It's when people decide who they're tuning into this week. So if your personal brand shows up clear, consistent, and focused, you automatically stand out, even if it's a 15-second story, even if it's just you sharing your game plan for the week. Monday is about momentum, and your audience can feel it. Tuesday, your profile pic is your billboard. Let's talk visuals, specifically your profile photo. If you're a business owner and your Facebook or LinkedIn profile pic is you with a drink at a summer party, listen, I'm not judging the fun, I'm judging the signal. If you're trying to attract high-end clients, investors, or even strategic partnerships, your visual presence has to match up to the value you bring. Your face is your logo. Treat it like it matters, because it does. Wednesday, email is still a power move. Everybody loves the socials, but email, that's your home base. Unlike social media, where algorithms controls who sees you, email is direct. It's personal. And when you show up there consistently, you build trust fast. So use your personal brand to attract followers, but don't forget to build a list of people who actually want to hear from you. Thursday, content creation builds credibility. Let's get real. Building a personal brand takes work. The reason most people fail, they don't want to show up consistently. They're afraid of being seen. But here's the truth. Content creates credibility. You don't need to go viral. You need to be present. When people see you speak, share, and lead, they trust you. In 2025, if you're not creating, you're fading. Legacy over likes. Fridays are for most people to coast, but for leaders, it's Legacy Day. This is when you reflect, document, and show your audience you're not just here for trends. You're building something long-term. Even one post that says, "Here's what I learned this week," can set you apart. Personal branding isn't a hustle game. It's a longevity game. And the people that keep showing up, they win. So if you've been wondering if personal branding is still worth it in 2025, this is your sign. It's not just worth it. It's everything. Your face, your story, your strategy. Start today, post with intention, build with clarity. And if you're ready to elevate your brand, just message me on Instagram. Just send Brand Club, and I'll tell you more about how we can work together. And of course, hit that like button or subscribe, and I'll see you next week.